Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to search Gale Academic OneFile, which is one of our databases here in the Milne Library. Let's get started. To find Gale Academic OneFile, I'm going to start here at the Milne Library homepage. Up at the top here, I'm going to select Databases. This is going to bring us to our A to Z database page, and this is where you access all of the databases that we have access to here at the library. Currently, we have over 300. That number is always changing. Okay, so to find Gale Academic OneFile, I'm going to want to go to the G's. And that's because Gale owns many databases, and all the ones that we have access to here in the Milne Library are going to be listed on the G page. Here at the very top is the one that we're looking for, Gale Academic OneFile. I'm going to select that. And that's going to open up the home page of Gale Academic OneFile. Now, just one more thing about us having access to multiple Gale databases is that once you know how to search in one of them, you know how to search in most of them, okay? So that's really great news for your research. Here, we're going to start at the Gale Academic OneFile homepage. There's a couple of different ways you can search. You can go up here to the basic search, down here to the advanced search, or you can go to the subject guide search, okay? Another really cool thing about Gale databases is they have browse topics section, so you can also select by topics. So here, I'm just going to start by searching for some simple keywords. I'm going to search for social justice here. All right, and another cool feature of Gale databases is that they autofill for related keywords. So for example, you're in the beginning stages of your research and you're really still trying to, brainstorm. This could be a good way to find some more related keywords. Just make sure that they are related to your research topic, right? So I'm just going to leave that as social justice for now. And then I'm going to leave that in the keyword section as well. But just for an example, say you knew the document type or the author's name, you could also search for those facets, okay? So I'm going to scroll down here and show you that you can limit here from this homepage to just full text documents or peer-reviewed journals, or if documents contain images, as well as publication date or document type and more. I'm going to leave this all as it autofills there because I want to limit on the next page. So I'm just going to hit search here. So up at the top here, another cool feature of Gale databases is that they limit by the source type, right? So for example, if I wanted to look at magazines or news sources or academic journals, I could specifically select just that source type. For today's example, I'm going to keep this as academic journals. And specifically, you can see that we have access to over 9,000 results just using the term social justice, right? And so what I might want to do here is, say your professors ask for you to find peer-reviewed journal articles, you'd want to select for peer-reviewed journals here. Now I do that because while this page holds all of the academic journals that would come back for your search results, they're not all necessarily peer-reviewed. So I'm going to select peer-reviewed there. That bumps us down to almost 7,000 results, which is still quite a bit. But what you can see here is now they all have that peer-reviewed check mark, right? So then perhaps I want to look at document type and I only want to search for articles. So I'm going to apply that. Again, now we're down to, just over 3,500 results. And now we're going to go to publication date and say I wanted something relatively recent, maybe from 2015 until end of October of this year. So then I'm going to hit apply there. And that's going to bump us down to just over 2,000. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll through our results list and see if there's anything that I might want to have a look at. Maybe I'm interested in this result here. Let's select that. Now what I'm going to see here is all of that good citation information here at the top. We have the journal name as well as the author and the date, but this is all going to be in HTML. Now, if you wanted to specifically find page numbers, for example, you're looking to cite, you would go to download here, and that's going to download the PDF of the document, which will have page numbers on it, right? A couple more things I wanted to show you here on this page. You can email it to yourself. Say you're working on one of the public computers here in the library. You could then email the document to your Oneonta email. You can download it, you can print it. You can also get the permanent link for the document. So what differs between the permanent link and that link in the search bar is this link is going to be permanent, so it's not going to expire, whereas the link up in the search bar, that will go stale and you won't be able to get back to the document specifically using that link. So again, using this permalink if you want to get back through a link. A couple more things here. Here we have more like this, which is a really cool feature as well. So it's going to link to, articles or documents that are similar to this. And finally, we can talk about the citation generator. Up at the top here, we have a citation generator that's built into the database. Now, use this with the caveat that there will be errors in it, and always make sure that you cross-reference a generated citation with one of the citation tools that we have access to here in the library. May that be our Citing Sources LibGuide, our citation manuals, or our full reference manuals here in our reference collection of the library. Okay? Thank you very much for watching this video on Gale Academic OneFile. If you have any more questions, please reach out to us here at the library. Thanks and have a good one. Bye.